Hello, good morning friends. Myself JATIN from Asapura School Bhuj, and welcome all of you. We are going to learn chapter number 5, arithmetic progression, means AP. Today we are calculate the exercise sums. Previous video part 1 and 2 we are discussing some important basic concept. First of all, in our first video we discuss what is the sequence and type of sequence with appropriate example, and second previous video we can also discuss and point of the second step of the what is the progression and what is the arithmetic progression with the appropriate example and some element of the arithmetic progression. Now it's a time to apply or implement of the some basic knowledge about the arithmetic progression in exercise. So now let's perform exercise 5.1 with me and join with the question number 2. So please open your notebook and textbook and see the exercise number 5.1. Today we calculate some examples. So dear students, now going to question number 2. Question is here from the exercise 5.1. फिर से एक बार आपको याद दिला दें, exercise 5.1 से question number 2 करने जा रहे हैं. Question is write first 4 terms of the AP, that means arithmetic progression. First 4 terms of the AP where the first term A and common difference D are given as follows. कहने का मतलब यह है कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में हमारे सामने फर्स्ट टर्म A और D कॉमन डिफरेंस गिवन है, दिए हुए हैं. हमें इसका यूज करते हुए फर्स्ट 4 टर्म्स एवरी एपी के लिए अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन के लिए फाइंड आउट करनी है. यहाँ पर मैं आपके सामने वेरियस एग्जांपल्स लेकर आया हूँ. सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, क्वेश्चन 2 में A इज इक्वल टू 10 एंड D इज इक्वल टू 10. इसका मतलब हुआ फर्स्ट टर्म A इज इक्वल टू 10 है, यहाँ पर कॉमन डिफरेंस भी 10 है. किस तरह से फाइंड आउट करेंगे? तो इसके लिए फॉर्मूला है Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is Tn? Tn is called the nth term, A is called the first term, n minus 1 is the difference of the terms, and multiply by D. D means common difference. Now for n is equal to 1, now substitute the value n is equal to 1 in the formula. A is equal to 10 and D is also equal to 10, and we calculate first term T1. So T1 is equal to 10 plus n minus 1 means 1 minus 1 into 10. 1 minus 1 0 and 0 tens are 0. So 10 plus 0 is equal to 10 is the first term. Now n is equal to 2. N is equal to 2. Therefore T2 is equal to 10 plus 2 minus 1 into 10. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 and 1 tens are 10. So 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. N is equal to 3. T3 is equal to 10 plus 3 minus 1 into 10. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So 2 tens are 20 and 10 plus 20 is equal to 30. Third term. Last, N is equal to 4. T4 is equal to 10 plus, once again, 4 minus 1 into 10. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Tens are 30. So 10 plus 30 is equal to 40. Then in the first question, first 4 terms are 10, 20, 30 and 40. Now let's go into the second example. A is equal to minus 2 and here D is equal to 0. That means first term is minus 2, common difference is 0, and our formula to find out the terms is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term, D is the common difference, and n is called the number of terms. So for n is equal to 1, that means the first term T1 is equal to minus 2 in plus 1 minus 1 into 0. Here 1 minus 1 is 0 and 0 zeros are 0, so minus 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 2. Now n is equal to 2, therefore T2 is equal to minus 2 plus 2 minus 1 into 0. Once again 1 zeros are 0, so minus 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 2. N is equal to 3, then T3 is equal to minus 2 plus 3 minus 1 into 0. Therefore minus 2 plus 0 once again, because 2 zeros are 0 and we get minus 2. Now n is equal to 4, T4 is equal to minus 2 plus 4 minus 1 into 0, 3 zeros are 0, and again, once again, we find out minus 2 plus 0 is equal to minus 2. Therefore, in this case, where a is equal to minus 2 and common difference is 0, we get the first 4 terms are minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 and minus 2. That means this type of arithmetic progression is the constant arithmetic progression, which is the same terms of all. Now, from question number 3, once again, let us see the board. A is equal to 4 and here difference is minus. Difference is minus 3. We get to use another time Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is the first term, d is the common difference, and n is called the term. For n is equal to 1, T1 is equal to 4 plus 1 minus 1 into minus 3. 1 minus 1 0 and minus 3 zeros are 0. So 4 plus 0 is equal to 4. Now n is equal to 2. Therefore T2 is equal to 4 plus 2 minus 1 into minus 3. 2 minus 1 into minus 3. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So minus 3 ones are minus 3. Therefore 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. Now n is equal to 3. T3 is equal to 4 plus 3 minus 1 into minus 3. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 and minus 3 multiply with. So 2 plus minus minus 2 into minus 3 is equal to 2 3s are 6. So 4 plus minus 6. Therefore 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 2 and n is equal to 4. Therefore T4 is equal to 4 plus 4 minus 1 into minus 3. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 and plus minus minus 3 3s are 9. So 4 plus minus 9 we get minus 5. So first 4 terms are 4, 1, minus 2 and minus 5. Here we get the arithmetic progression in the form of the descending order because the common difference is minus. So we have the arithmetic progression is an descending order. Okay, now let's once again question number 4. A is equal to minus 1 and D is equal to 1 half. Here D is a fractional form. Here D is equal to fractional form and arithmetic progression में सबसे पहला टर्म माइनस चल रहा है. एक और एग्जांपल फिर से यूज करेंगे. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. N is equal to 1. Now substitute the value. Therefore T1 is equal to minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 into 1 half. 1 minus 1 0 and therefore 1 half zeros are 0. So first term is minus 1 plus 0 is equal to minus 1. Now n is equal to 2. Therefore T2 is equal to minus 1 plus 2 minus 1 into 1 half. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 and 1 half ones are 1 half. So minus 1 plus 1 half and we get minus 1 half, or we can also write minus 0.5 in decimal form. Now n is equal to 3. Therefore T3 is equal to minus 1 plus 3 minus 1 into 1 half. So 2 multiplied by 1 half and we get 1. Therefore minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. Now n is equal to 4. Therefore T4 is equal to minus 1 plus 4 minus 1 into 1 half and we get minus 1 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 1 half or 0.5 in positive decimal. So then first 4 terms are minus 1, minus 1 half, 0 and 1 half, or we can also write that minus 1, 0, minus 0.5, 0 and 0.5. Last now A is equal to minus 1.25, D is equal to minus 25. Here both the values, first term is also negative terms and decimal form. D is also a negative terms and decimal form. So now we perform the last question. With the help of Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. N minus 1 into D. So n is equal to 1, T1 is equal to minus 1.5 plus 1 minus 1 into 0.25, but 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Then our answer is minus 1.25 plus 0 is equal to minus 1.25. Now n is equal to 2, therefore T2 is equal to minus 1.25 plus 2 minus 1 into minus 0.25. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, so 1 multiply by minus 0.25 plus minus minus, and 0.25 multiplied by 1 is the same number. Therefore minus 125 plus minus 0.25 minus minus plus with the minus sign, therefore we get finally minus 1.50. Now n is equal to 3, T3 is equal to minus 1.25 plus 3 minus 1 into minus 0.25, and we get minus 1.25. Here the difference is 2 multiplied by minus 0.25, we get minus 0.50, and the sum of the two negatives integer are also negative, so finally we get minus 1.75. Now n is equal to 4. Therefore T4 is equal to minus 1.25 plus 4 minus 1, 3 into minus 0.25, and we get minus 1.25 minus 0.75 is equal to minus 2.0. So here first four terms are minus 1.25, minus 1.50, minus 1.75 and minus 2.0. So dear students, in exercise number 5.1, here we can calculate and discuss question number 2, where the first four terms are find out from AP when the first term A and common difference D are available. Here we discuss some different values of first term and the differences, and we get first four terms. I hope so you understand very well. In our next video we can try once again, we perform another question number 3 from the exercise 5.1. तब तक के लिए आप नोटबुक में इस क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट कीजिए और साथ में समझते रहिए। फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए थैंक यू एंड बाय।